Yogi. Come on.
Okay, all right,
Go sit over.
Greetings everyone. Today's pose is Urdhva Dhanurasana, known as the upward facing bow pose, more commonly known as a full back bend. So this is a beautiful pose to help with slumping and slouching. Each decade that we're aging, you may notice that there's more and more forward flexion and not enough extension. So it's a really, really beautiful pose. There are some contraindications to this. High blood pressure, glaucoma, detached retina, later stages of pregnancy, for some the wrist, the low back. But if you do it safely, step by step, you'll be able to really increase more of the openness of the front body. So let's look at some of the common misalignments and then we'll go into the full pose. So lay back on your mat. Some of the common misalignments. We bring our feet up by the hips. The feet are about hips width distance apart, and your knees are directly over the ankles. So one of the common misalignments once we press up is to let the knees splay out to the side. And when this happens, we start to compress the low back, the lumbar spine. So you want to keep your knees over the ankles. So you're anchoring down the big toe, the little toe, your inner outer heel firmly. The inner thighs are spinning downward as if you're hugging a block between your thighs. You can't feel that. Put a block between your thighs and actually hug it. The outer hips firm in. So as we start to lift up, the second thing that happens for a lot of people is really clenching the glutes. We don't want to over clench the glutes. They are engaged, they are firming in, but we're not clenching. Again, this can cause some compression in the back. As you inhale, bring your arms over the head. Now, if the back of your hands don't touch the ground, the shoulders are probably a little locked up to go into a full back bend. So you can bring one arm under the back, then the other, and roll your shoulder blades under. And maybe you just keep your hands flat or interlace the fingers. This may be it for you. If you're going deeper and your arms do easily come over the head, bend the elbows, bring your hands back by the ears, your fingertips pointing towards your shoulders. Now, if the shoulder girdle's a little locked up, you'll notice that your elbows splay out and the palms lift up and off the ground. You'll want to firm your outer arms in, so now the elbows are stacked over your shoulders and your hands are flat to the ground. Press into all 10 of your fingers, but especially the thumb and the index finger. Press down firmly enough that you can lightly bring your forehead to the ground. Now check in here, your arms out to the side. You'll need to firm them in again. So now the elbows are back over the wrist. Press into the hands firmly, and now you'll want to extend all the way up. It's important to press down into the mounds of the big toes. Keep the knees over the ankles. You're lengthening the flesh of your buttocks to the back of the knees while the back ribs lift, straightening the arms, and then keeping your neck free and your throat soft. To come back out of it, you'll bend the elbows, gently bring your head to the ground, and then you can take an easy transition pose by hugging your knees in and rocking gently. So this is a very big pose. Take it step by step intelligently, work at a pace that's just right for you and with a lot of discipline in this, and practice, practice, practice. Slowly but surely, Urdhva Dhanurasana will start to expand. Please comment with any questions, anything you'd like to share, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for being here.